Hello and welcome to my channel English Wala YouTuber. So guys, I hope you are doing great and learning English language good way. So guys, as you know that every day just I shoot one video and I upload. Why? Actually, if I upload some of conversational video or any topic, so then who is beginner, they can learn, they can understand. So that is why I am doing like that. Actually, my intention only for learning purpose, not any other thing. So दोस्तों, मेरा एक ही उद्देश्य है कि यदि मैं छोटे छोटे वीडियो या एनी टॉपिक वाइज कोई वीडियो अपलोड करता हूँ, तो उससे आप लोग जो भी बिगिनर लेवल के हैं, धीरे धीरे आप सीखने का प्रयास करेंगे और आप सीखेंगे. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई वांट टू शूट एंड आई वांट टू शेयर today's video. It's going to be very fruitful. And today's video, mobile phone. Yes guys, I want to explain something about mobile phone. What is the merit and what is the demerit, means what is the advantage and what is the disadvantage of mobile phone. So first and foremost, I would like to share something about advantage of mobile phone. मोबाइल फ़ोन के क्या फ़ायदे हैं, क्या नुकसान है. तो सबसे पहले हम मोबाइल फ़ोन के फ़ायदे के बारे में बताएंगे, फिर उसके नुकसान के बारे में बताएंगे. सो गाइज, यू नो nowadays mobile phone, near about 90 to 95% people they have mobile phone. So the thing is that how they are using and how much they are using. So if you are a student, so I think you should use mobile phone very properly way, like that if you want to learn something, so you can use, and if you want to study something also you can learn, and if you need to talk with your family member or any relative or any neighbor, so you can use. Otherwise I think if you are scrolling whole day mobile phone, I think it's not a good way. It's not advantage, it's a disadvantage. So you should use mobile phone good way, so then it may be better for your future and for your life, for your health. So other thing, दोस्तों, आजकल मोबाइल फ़ोन हर एक के व्यक्ति के हाथ में मोबाइल फ़ोन है, तो उनको कुछ काम नहीं रहता है, तो हर समय वो मोबाइल स्क्रॉल करते रहते हैं. So they are wasting their time, and who is a student, they are also not focusing their study. So this is not good thing. And if I talk about second advantage of mobile phone, so if you have a mobile phone, so then you can take online classes also. You no need to go outside for taking offline classes. So this is the benefit. And other way, any news or anything. So guys, what happened earlier time, people they just used to take some of newspaper, then after they just getting what is the news today and in our state and our district. So nowadays I think if you have mobile phone, so you can easily watch any kind of news in your mobile phone. So this is the benefit. So दोस्तों, if I talk about other benefit of mobile phone, so suppose if you want to ask any question to your teacher, so I think you can't ask very good way. Sometimes we don't have any idea how to ask that question. So कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम प्रॉपरली नहीं पूछ पाते हैं कि कैसे पूछना है. So I think if you are using mobile phone, definitely you have WhatsApp in your mobile phone. So really you can send your question through the WhatsApp, and definitely if your familiar teacher or who is I mean online teacher, so then you can get answer very easily. So this is the benefit. And other benefit like that, if you are going to somewhere and you don't have idea what is my destination and where we have to reach, so only you have a ticket and you can't find that place, so you can use Google Map and then you can reach your proper destination through the Google Map. So this is also benefit. And other benefit like that, if you are going to any hospital and suppose someone is facing some disease and doctor asks to them, just I need some of your report, I want to take some of report. So that time if doctor taking I mean X-ray or ultrasound, so definitely they will give some of report and then they can understand what happened to you. So that time if you are getting that report, so also you can send to them who is your family doctor. So that doctor they can understand what kind of disease you have, and it may be possible definitely they will try to give good suggestion where is good doctor and where you have to go. So this is also benefit. And other way, nowadays every person they are living outside other state, so that time I think if they need to see their parents and other family member, so I can say that they can use video calling through the WhatsApp and then they can talk very good way and they can see how is my family member, how my kids, so many kind of thing you can see, and this kind of facility are there. So guys, if I talk about demerit side, so guys if I talk about disadvantage, so really everything has a pros and cons, merit and demerit, advantage and disadvantage. So exactly like that mobile phone also have a pros and cons. So that is why somewhere it's good, somewhere it's not good. So if I talk about demerit side, so guys if we are using long period of time, so I think it's not good. We should fix how much time we have to watch our mobile phone and what purpose we have to watch, so then it may be better. दोस्तों कभी कभी ऐसा होता है हम लोग दिन रात मोबाइल के देखने के चक्कर में पड़े रहते हैं, लेकिन उससे कोई बेनिफिट होने वाला नहीं है। यदि आप स्टूडेंट हैं तो आपको अच्छी चीज़ें स्क्रॉल करनी चाहिए और देखनी चाहिए। सपोज इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, सो इफ़ यू आर स्क्रॉलिंग लर्निंग पर्पज like that some of video upload on YouTube, so if you are watching that kind of video, so definitely it may be very fruitful. But nowadays our young generation they are not following that kind of thing, they just scrolling mobile phone regarding enjoyment. So that is why they are spoiling their time, they are spoiling their future, they are not getting success because of this reason. I am not saying that you should not use mobile phone, you should use and you should watch, but I think it's a limited time, not more than. So then it may be better for your learning purpose, and sometimes if you are feeling exhausted and tiredness, so you can use, you can enjoy. So but thing is that you have to use mobile phone limited time, then after we can think whatever you are doing like that. If you are a student, so you should focus your study and you should do other work like that. If you are a working person, you are doing job, so you should focus your job only, and then after if you are getting free time, so that time you can use learning purpose something, so then it may be better. But nowadays many of people they are not using proper way. Really who is become success, I think ISPCS, they are using proper way mobile phone, so that is why they became ISPCS and many kind of job they are getting. And nowadays also many of student who is really very serious to get their they want to success in their life, so they are doing hard work, they are learning something, so this is benefit. But my opinion, what I am trying to say, actually mobile phone it's in your hand. So you should have to think how we have to use and how much we have to use. If you are fixing this thing, so definitely it may be better your future and your life. Otherwise, as I told you, I think everything has a pros and cons. I mean advantage and disadvantage. It's depend on you, why you are using and how much you are using. So then you can realize that, yeah, if I am using proper way, so then we can get benefit. If I am not using proper way, so definitely we can't get any benefit. So this is my opinion about mobile phone, what was the merit and what was the demerit. So I think you learn something from this video. If you guys please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.